China Home Life in Indonesia is underway from March 24th to 26th in Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia. The exhibition, which is being held both online and offline, presents around 5,000 products from more than 100 Chinese companies. China Home Life is a leading global specialty trade show series for Chinese products, currently held in 13 countries. And this is the first time for the show to come to Indonesia. The event is part of the Belt and Road Initiative to accelerate exports of Chinese products and services to emerging markets around the world.
As you know, there are many fabrics, and we can feel the thickness and feel smooth or not, the drapery good or not, and the colors of every aspect. It's very, very important for us to make the decision. And also we have many options, right? So we can visit and review many items in short time.
We understand that China have a big potential in the industrial. And Indonesia also need to have partners how to develop in industries. So I think it's a good opportunity.